Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you definitely love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. In today's video, we are going to Chanel at South Coast Mall Plaza. Now again, South Coast Mall, they're just so friendly. I love them so much. However, there's a specific bag I want from Chanel. Now, it does retail for $6,000, which is like the normal price point for a Chanel bag these days. However, it's specifically called the large top handle, which is a very weird name because it's not really descriptive at all, and in all honesty, that could apply to so many different Chanel bags, so the name of it I do think is a little bit odd, but we'll get to see the large version and the small version. So without any further ado, let's go to Chanel and South Coast and see what they have to offer. We are now at the Chanel and South Coast, and we are looking at the large top handle bag. Now, again, that's just the weirdest name for this bag because it can apply to so many different bags. However, looking at this one, it's just so beautiful. First, let's take a look at the actual quilting of it. The quilting is just so beautiful and so soft. This is such a beautiful lambskin material, and it actually feels really durable as well. Of course, on the back, we have this giant pocket, which is just so brilliant because this is a good sized pocket. Flipping the bag over, we can see more details of it. However, one detail that I love is this bag actually has feet to it. So many Chanel bags do not have cute little feet, and this one is so perfect because you don't have to worry about messing up the bottom when you do set it down, especially in this color because this is the color white. Once we do go ahead and open it up, we can see the beautiful inside, and on the inside we can see that there is one interior pocket, one zip pocket, but then two little pockets in the front, which I love for my phone, my car keys, anything really easy to find. But back here for the zipper pocket, it's really easy to open and it's so big. Like it's perfect for an iPad. And again, traveling, this would be such a good travel bag. So this one, I genuinely really do love it. I highly recommend this one. This one is in the large size. However, when you do go ahead and see it on my actual person, again, I'm only 5'6". I'm like 100 pounds. I'm not even gonna lie. So I am really tiny in person. So this bag, it does look a little bit big on me, but again, it's just so perfect for traveling. So if you do need a great Chanel travel bag, I 1000% recommend this one. We did have this tote as well, and this is actually a really great one. One, I love the pocket on the front of it. The size when I do wear it, it's a really good size. It's just a little bit bigger than my Versace tote that's on my other shoulder. However, again, the pocket on the front, I absolutely love it. This one is in the beautiful caviar leather, so it's so durable. And honestly, for traveling, it's perfect. But it did have one of those openings to where, like, if you tip it upside down, everything will fall out of it. So I did wish it had a closure. This duffel bag slash bowling bag that I absolutely love is this one right here because it's so, again, perfect for traveling. Not only does it have the shoulder strap, but it just have that cute little key ring, so you can go ahead and hang keychains off it. Wearing the bag, you can see that it's actually a fantastic size. Now, this one is also $6,000, so it is a reasonable price point for Chanel. And honestly, I love it. Look how cute it is. And I really like the black and silver too. Comment down below, do you think I look better with black and silver Chanel bags or black and gold Chanels? However, of course, we did see the extra large travel bag. Now, I have an entire comparison from one of my favorite Chanels in Michigan, and they were so kind enough to let me film the size comparisons between the small, the jumbo, and the maxi. However, I did also compare it to the extra large because the thing is, this one right here, it's very cheap. It's like 6,000 to 8,000. But if you get the maxi flap, it's automatically $12,000. So this is bigger than the maxi flap. But it is a really good loophole if you do want the classic vibe, but not for the classic $12,000 price. However, I do go to Rodeo Drive in an upcoming vlog, and I do have so much good footage of it. However, we did see the small size of the large flap bag. And this one is so cute. One, I love this color red. It's honestly just so sultry and just so perfect for Christmas. But then again, on the back of it, we have this cute little pocket, which is a good size because this actually does fit your phone. A lot of Chanel pockets do not fit your phone, but this one it does. So congratulations for that. On the inside, it's the same. You do have the zipper, you do have the compartment, and then the two pockets. And honestly, it's really not a bad size. And because it's smaller, it does look better on me in person. But I really do love it. However, a fun fact is the guy that you do see in the back, he is totally a businessman. He was just constantly talking about like European trips and just like business funds. And it was kind of hard to film this scene because obviously I didn't want to like invade his privacy. but I did hear a couple interesting stories. So with the bag, obviously you know that I want it so much. However, I don't know what size to get. Should I get the large size or should I get the small size? The large is perfect for traveling, and I do travel a lot, so it would fit all of my necessities. However, the small size is just so much better, like on my person, like my proportion, and it's honestly great for every day as well, and it's not heavy like the other one. So I'm not sure what size that I do want, but comment down below, what size do you like? Are you a fan of the large one or the small one? And is there anything else in this vlog that really caught your eye that you would like as well? But again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. And you, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Stay tuned for my upcoming Chanel on Rodeo Drive vlog, because I have so much more footage to show you. But again, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And you, and have a great day. Au revoir.